Step into the future of augmented reality with Roked AR Light, the cutting-edge AR glasses that combine sleek style with powerful technology. With its sleek, modern design, Roked AR Light blends seamlessly into your everyday life. Whether you're on the go, working from home, or enjoying your favorite entertainment, these glasses offer a truly immersive experience in ways you've never imagined. It can project virtual screens that wrap around your environment, letting you work, play, or stream multiple content streams simultaneously. Whether you're working on a project, playing a game, or simply enjoying your favorite videos, Roked AR Light enhances your experience by providing a more engaging and interactive environment. Roked AR Light transforms your world into a personal theater, bringing your memories to life in stunning 3D spatial videos. With vivid visuals and immersive audio, you'll feel like you're right there in the action. Its touching interaction makes it easy to navigate your virtual world. Simply tap, swipe, or pinch to control your AR experience. And for those who need corrective lenses, Roked AR Light offers 0.00D to -600D myopia adjustment, ensuring clear visuals without the need for additional eyewear. Abuze Lamp Plus is a groundbreaking device that redefines the concept of a portable projector. Disguised as a sleek, modern lamp, this versatile device offers a host of features that make it a must-have for anyone seeking a unique and immersive audio-visual experience. Its ability to project footage from your phone onto any surface below creates a truly magical experience that transforms your surroundings into a personal theater. By using your finger as a mouse, you can interact directly with the projected content, making it feel like you're part of the action. Abuze Lamp Plus boasts a full HD resolution and 1400 ANSI lumens, ensuring that your projected images are crisp, clear, and bright. With a projection area of 70 centimeters by 39 centimeters, you can enjoy a large and immersive viewing experience. To complement the visuals, Abuze Lamp Plus offers 360 degrees of sound, providing a rich and immersive audio experience that enhances your enjoyment of movies, music, and more. iGulu F1 is a revolutionary all-in-one beer brewing machine that simplifies the home brewing process to just 3 easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned home brewer or a complete novice, the F1 makes it easy to create delicious and authentic craft beer right in your own kitchen. With the F1, you can brew your favorite craft beers at home without the hassle of traditional brewing methods. Simply scan an RFID card containing the recipe you want to use, and the F1 will handle the rest. The machine automatically adjusts the temperature, pressure, and brewing time to ensure optimal results. For experienced homebrewers, the F1's Master Mode offers a high degree of customization. This mode allows you to use your own ingredients and recipes to create virtually any style of beer or fermented beverage you desire. The possibilities are truly endless, giving you the freedom to experiment and explore new flavors. The iGulu F1 automates the entire brewing process, from mashing to fermentation, making it easy to enjoy freshly brewed beer within the comfort of your own home. The F1's compact design and user-friendly interface make it a convenient and enjoyable addition to any kitchen. WristLAX is a groundbreaking wearable device that offers a revolutionary solution for tired, stressed, and sore wrists. Unlike traditional massagers that require you to stop what you're doing, WristLAX can be used while you're gaming, typing, or engaging in other activities. WristLAX is designed to alleviate a variety of wrist-related issues, including sore joints, carpal tunnel syndrome, finger numbness, and general wrist stress. Whether you're a gamer experiencing prolonged wrist discomfort or a professional working long hours at a desk, WristLAX can help you find relief and improve your overall wrist health. WristLAX utilizes electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, to provide targeted relief. This technology uses low-frequency pulses to stimulate muscle contraction, helping to reduce tension and improve blood flow. Combined with traditional vibration massage, WristLAX delivers a powerful and effective massage that can be enjoyed throughout the day. It offers 4 distinct massage modes to cater to your specific needs and preferences. Each mode provides a unique combination of EMS and vibration, allowing you to choose the most suitable option for your wrist. Roked AI Desktop Robot is more than just a robot. It's a multifunctional AI companion designed to enhance your daily life. As the world's first robot with an integrated Android system, Roked offers a unique blend of companionship, entertainment, and convenience. The Android system is the heart and soul of Roked, providing a rich ecosystem of apps, connectivity, and customization options. With Android, Roked becomes an extension of your lifestyle, offering unprecedented convenience and flexibility. The open-source nature of Android ensures that Roked is constantly evolving, staying at the forefront of innovation and providing you with a truly functional partner. Roked's integration with ChatGPT allows it to connect to large language models, transforming it into an intuitive voice assistant. Engage in natural, meaningful conversations with Roked, making every interaction a delightful experience. With BotLife, Roked engages in conversations that feel natural, dynamic, and uniquely attuned to your preferences. Each Roked develops a personality as unique as its owner, making every interaction exciting and genuinely one of a kind. Speak to it, gesture, and watch as Roked responds in the most charming and interactive ways. The GOI Floor Lamp Pro is more than just a lamp. It's a versatile and customizable lighting and audio solution designed to enhance your living space. With its sleek design, advanced features, and seamless integration, the Floor Lamp Pro offers a truly immersive and enjoyable experience. The Floor Lamp Pro combines powerful lighting with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, providing a harmonious blend of visual and auditory elements. The DSP digital audio technology ensures high-quality sound, while the 54 diffused color segments and 324 LED beads create stunning lighting effects. It offers a wide range of customization options to suit your preferences. The 300-degree rotatable design allows you to conveniently adjust the light's direction, while the separate warm and cool white LEDs provide fully adjustable color temperature. With 81+ dynamic scene modes and 29 preset white noises, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. It is designed for convenience and ease of use. The Smart Voice Control feature allows you to control the lamp settings using your voice, providing effortless hands-free access. Additionally, the GOI DreamView syncing feature allows you to create an immersive lighting experience by synchronizing the lamp's lights with your music or videos. Master Hub is a versatile and powerful smart hub designed to elevate your productivity and creativity. Whether you're a content creator, streamer, PC enthusiast, or simply looking to streamline your workflow, Master Hub offers a customizable and intuitive interface that empowers you to take control. It is highly customizable, allowing you to configure it to match your exact workflow and preferences. From sleek minimalism to intricate control, you can tailor the layout, key assignments, and RGB lighting to suit your personal style. Master Hub features high-resolution IPS displays, knobs, sliders, and touchscreens, providing you with a clear and responsive interface. With customizable RGB lighting, you can create a visually stunning and personalized setup. It allows you to set shortcuts and commands, fine-tune in-game settings, adjust audio, and make real-time system tweaks, giving you complete control over your environment. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or simply managing your digital world, Master Hub provides the tools you need to optimize your workflow. For gamers, Master Hub offers a range of features to enhance your gameplay. Fine-tune brush sizes, layer opacity, timeline scrubbing, color grading, and more with ease. Rotate to adjust settings and press to switch functions, giving you precise control over your gaming experience. And there you have it, 7 crazy tech gadgets that you can grab right now on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech reviews.